Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be learning how to cut a hair bonnet today. So let's get down to the business. So you're going to be measuring 22 inches by 22 inches. This is the leftover fabrics that I'm working with. That is why I have it joined together. So you mark 22 inches by 22 inches. Once you're done, you're going to fold it into two. As you can see me do, you fold it into two. Just ensure that you align it properly so that you'll be able to get a perfect circle. Once you're done folding like this, you mark 11 inches all round. We are trying to cut a circle, so you mark 11 inches. Guys, if you want it to be much more than this, you can increase your measurement, but this is just a moderate hair bonnet. You can decide to increase it to 15, 16, thereabout, but we are working with 11 inches here. So once you're done, you're going to cut it out. As you can see me do, I'm going to cut it out like this. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your bell notification as well. So once you're done, we're going to be cutting a lining for it. So guys, if you want to use another fabric in place of this lining, you can go ahead and do so. So I'm just going to be using this white material for the inner part of the bonnet. So you fold it like this and cut depending on how you want it to be. So at the long run, I felt it won't really work like this. Let me just open it out and cut it out. So you can decide to fold it and cut like this, or you can also use this second method I'm going to be using to cut it out if you find this difficult to do. So I opened it into two. I opened it like this, it's already folded. Then I opened the circle. I folded it into two as well to cut it out so that it can be easy for me. That's why I'm using the second method. So I'll go ahead and cut it out right now using the first circle as so. Guys, this is what we have. So you go ahead now and try. I'm just trying to ensure that there are no excess anywhere. So I found that I have little excess. So I'm going to be trimming it out. I want it to be the same as the main fabric. So you just have to trim out the excess. Once you're done trimming out the excess out, we are going to go ahead and start sewing the circle. So guys, this is how you trim it out if you have any excess left over. So guys, once you're done trimming it out, this is what I have. You have to pin it in place. As you can see, I'm going to pin it so that it's not going to be shaking and all that. I just want to ensure that it really comes out well. So you can decide to pin yours out, but if you feel you're a professional, you can leave it like this. You can just go ahead and start sewing, but I would advise you really pin it so you don't have any excess anywhere. So once you're done, you're going to mark half inch all round. As you can see me, you're going to mark half inch like this. Mark it half inch. But guys, you're not going to sew everything. You're going to be leaving a little space. Remember, we are sewing this from the inside. We'll have to turn it over once we are done sewing. So you're going to be leaving like 3 inches, as you can see me do. So I'll go ahead and sew it round. I'm done sewing. Once I'm done sewing, I will remove the pin and turn it from the 3 inches that we left behind. So this is how you're going to turn it outside. You use it the 3 inches to turn out the fabric. So this is how it's going to look like. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once you're done, you mark 3 inches. You mark, sorry, 2 inches. You mark 2 inches, you mark it all round. As you can see me do, I'm going to mark the 2 inches all round like this. So you mark it all round and you decide to connect it. You have to connect the circle together. So it's making more sense now. You connect the circle together. Once you're done connecting the circle like this, you mark half inch forward. This is the part that we house the elastic. Remember, there's going to be an elastic band. at the bonnet. So we're just trying to make a casing for the elastic. So you mark half inch forward, and you're going to leave a small opening as well, so it can help you insert the elastic very well. So this is how you mark it round. You mark it round like this. You mark it round. I hope you're getting what we are doing here. It is very, very simple to make. So you are going to go ahead and sew. So I'm just trying to look for the opening that we left behind. Yes, this is the opening that we left at the first time. So I wouldn't be sewing. I'm not going to be sewing that part. I'm not going to be sewing that part. I'll take it to the sewing machine and sew it round, leaving that part so that I can be able to pass the elastic inside of it. So I've passed the elastic. I'm passing the elastic inside the casing already. So you're going to pass it like this. Going to pass it. I'm using the very tiny elastic for it. Going to pass it all around like this. So guys, this is the outcome. This is the outcome of it after passing the elastic. So I'll just go ahead and hem the opening that it's left, or you can decide to use your hemi gum to gum it together. So this is the outcome of the hair bonnet. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and leave your comment as well. See you soon in my next video.